I'm Abby Considine, and I am the Evidence-Based Program Coordinator at SeniorCare. And I'm here today to tell you a little bit about the programs that we offer. So, what are evidence-based programs? Evidence-based programs are developed based on extensive study of the effects and outcomes of specific interventions and programs. These proven programs are adapted into practical and effective models that can be taught by organizations like SeniorCare and trained staff like me, along with wonderful volunteers. The community-based programs are offered in spaces such as senior centers and YMCA buildings, and they are designed to promote health and wellness for older adults. Some of the focuses include fall prevention, chronic disease management, depression, and dementia care. What programs does SeniorCare offer? Currently, we offer 3 evidence-based programs. A Matter of Balance is an 8-week series designed to reduce the risk of falls and increase confidence in older adults. It consists of a combination of structured intervention, discussion work, and gentle exercise to allow older adults to maintain active and engaged lifestyles. A quote from a recent participant: "Matter of Balance class has made me so much more aware of balance issues, as well as steps and actions needed to maintain good balance and positive health changes. Also, it was great fun meeting and discussing things with a great group of gals." Next, we have the Savvy Caregiver Program. This is a 6-week training class for caregivers providing at-home care for a loved one with Alzheimer's or a related dementia. This class was founded on the premise that many individuals are doing the work of skilled caregivers in the home without any formal training. A quote, again from a recent participant, stated that because of this program, I can better understand the struggles that my husband is experiencing. Thank you for providing me with the education and strategies that will strengthen my relationship with my husband as we both travel this path of progressive loss. Lastly, SeniorCare offers a program called Healthy Ideas, which is a one-on-one program that integrates depression awareness and behavioral change management into our existing case management services. So how do I find out about upcoming programs, you might wonder? What do you want to do if one of these programs sounds interesting to you? Or are you interested in volunteering for one of these evidence-based programs? Please visit the SeniorCare website, seniorcareinc.org, or call 978-281-1750. You can ask for me, Abby Considine, at extension 581, and I'd be happy to share more information about these programs in general or specifics. And be sure to watch for more short videos about SeniorCare offerings in the future. Thanks so much.